Hello. No. Hello. Hey. Alright. Hi. What's up? Alright. Hi. What's up? How we feeling? I'm gonna clean my room because it's a mess. Let me show you. Well, it's not really that much of a mess anymore because I kind of just shoved everything against my closet. So that's where the majority of the mess is. But I still got a couple stuff. Actually, it's not as dirty as I remember it. And my bathroom. Yeah, so we're gonna clean this together. Because I desperately need it. Sundays are the days that I choose to clean because my room gets like this. And I wish I could say I don't know why, but I do know why. And it's just because I have to take so much stuff to school that whenever I get home, I kind of just don't feel the need to put everything away. So I kind of just throw it on my floor and then it piles up and it gets like this. I was also supposed to clean yesterday too, but yesterday was the day for me to catch up on Vlogmas. So I didn't. So today we're cleaning together. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm gonna start making my bed because I literally, like, whenever I clean, I don't know where to start. Like, I don't have like a designated place to start. So I just choose the easiest thing and then move on to the hardest thing and move on to the hardest thing. And it takes me forever, so I should probably choose to do the hardest thing first. But we're gonna make my bed because making my bed, it takes so much stress off my back. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, now that I'm done with my bed, obviously she's looking cute. I brought out my Christmas blanket. I remember my mom, she was like dreading on buying this blanket and now she loves this blanket. But I'm gonna work on the countertops. So I'm gonna do like countertops. Yeah, but regardless, I'm gonna wipe this down.
Is a pathetic mark like you the best carrier here tonight? You have backwards and out of struggle. It's your hand.
Time you've all been waiting for. Now time to clean up the floor. I organized those. I put my shoes there for now because I didn't know what else to put there. I'm thinking of putting plants there because it only makes sense. I want more greenery. I want this whole room to feel like a jungle. Like, I want there to be plants everywhere. We're gonna do the floor now. I don't know how I'm gonna set this up, but we're gonna we're gonna work on the floor. The way I like to do this is piles. I'm gonna do a laundry pile that needs to be washed, a laundry pile that needs to be put away, trash goes here, and then I'm gonna just have like extra stuff like objects, etc. there. But look, it's my cheer skirt. Isn't it so cute? Ah, I love this skirt so much. Love it so much, it's not even funny. It still smells like the old perfume I used to wear too. I used to wear the Ariana Grande R.E.M. Beauty one. R.E.M. Beauty. R.E.M. perfume. And she's, oh, I love that perfume so much. I want to rebuy it, but I just don't have the money. Look at my letter bags! Look how cute! And then the patches. I'm covering this one because I'm not done with the year yet, so people might make fun of me for that. But at the end of the year, it'll be revealed. And then Look how cute. You see Mr. Fairchild's quote? The world is a mirror, it reflects what you say. Look how cute this freaking thing is. When I was little, my grandpa, he gave me a stuffed animal fox. Don't know where that's at. My mom found a little thing exactly like it. It looks exactly like it. Even the tail, it's a onesie for my cat. So I just found it when I was looking for the blanket. And when she comes in here, I'll put it on her and I'll show you guys. But this is so cute. I forgot we had this, to be honest with you. I'm gonna put this back on her. I love that too much for my freaking cat. Love her so much. Love you, kitty. Listening to ATs while cleaning the bathroom. Fox outfit. Here, let's go show dad. Let's go show my dad. Look how cute she is. He's gonna be so she literally just went limp. Okay. Dad, look. Oh. He's not here.
Where'd you get that from?
Look at her. She's so cute. Where's Dad?
I don't know, but where'd you get that?
In the closet.
You found it?
Yeah. Ouch, she's close.
Look how cute she is. She's like the outdoors. It is time for my escape.
You're so cute, kitty.
She's like, put me down and tell me something. I can go that way.
Look at you, kitty. That's so cute. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Say hi, Tota. Say hi, Tota. Hi, Tota. You want a treat? You want a treat? How do I do this? Okay. Kiss. Ah, good job. Pop.
You should buy one for Doja. She's staying in that spot.
Dang, you inhaled that quick, girl. Oh, good job, Doja. You're so pretty.